Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time for the April limited edition box. I'm really excited about this one. It is super duper cute, so hopefully you like it as well. So I guess let's get started. So the scents this month, we have Wild Daisy Dream, Unicorn Poop. I just think it's funny when they have them named that. Unicorn Pop-Tarts, and Chocolate Bunny. And then of course you can get them in putty. Did I only grab 3 out of the, oh, silly me. Well, I do want to show you though, because all of our putties now come in the heart shape with like swirls and stuff. It's actually really tragic to, you know, put your pen in there, but oh well, it must be done, right? So yeah, fun colors, but they each come in putty and wax, and just like last month, you can choose to get only putty, only wax, or putty and wax. So we're leaving that open. Now this month's box does cost a little more. We have 4 limited edition scents, so like last month, you can upgrade your box and get all 4 scents, or all 3, or all 2 that you want. You can upgrade. But the reason it costs a little more is we have 2 sets of specialty drills. So this month we have a teal 3766 square AB, and then a pink number 605 square AB. So that's one reason it's just a tiny bit more, I should say. It's really not that much. I think it went up like $1. The other reason is this is the basic pen, but it's coming with metal tips that have the rubber bands so that you don't have to worry about washi tape. So you'll have that, and then it's just a nice little glitter pen with the metal tip. So that added to the cost for this month. And then, if you didn't guess, it's unicorn themed. So this is the cover minder. Look, she's eating her unicorn Pop-Tarts because this is the original. I always fashion the cover minder design after like the main limited scent. So that's where that came from. You'll get a unicorn sticker. You will get a pastel glitter washi tape. And then we have this lilac glitter. This one's like really cool. I wish the camera would catch like the complexity of the glitter in here. It's got all sorts of different colors of glitter. It's not just silver, it's like red, pink, blue. But yeah, you do have this tray from LEP that we've made. And then of course there are the limited pens for the upgrade as well. Now, these pens are not required. You can get the basic box, and that's what I'm showing you here is the basic box. Now, in the corner here is a picture of the upgrade pens. Only 7 were made, and they were made to match this theme exactly. They were created by Shimmering Canvas, but she makes them exclusively for my boxes. So we collaborate, kind of like these trays. LEP makes them for my box exclusively. You don't find these in her store normally. Well, that's how the pens will be up there. So there's only 7, but there's 15 limited edition boxes. So the first 7 people to upgrade can get their hands on that custom pen. They're really pretty, they match the theme, and but it's not required. You could just do the basic box and get that pen with these little drills, and then of course pick from your scents, which makes it nice and easy, right? So yeah, that's this month's limited edition box. I hope you like it. I think it's super adorable and sparkly and cute and unicorn themed. I seem to like go for April and do like pastelish kind of things, but there's also going to be a whole set of cover minders that hit the store this month that are all similar color palettes. So I've got another unicorn drinking a cup of coffee, another unicorn with unicorn poop. It's cuter than it sounds. I've got a bunny cupcake, and then I've got a little bunny holding a diamond. So you'll see those pop in the store throughout this week. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the limited. It does launch at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, and then last time they were gone before afternoon. They've been selling super quick. So keep that in mind. If you really want the box, I suggest you log in before noon and you'll have a chance to catch it. But yeah, it's a super fun one this month. These all smell really good. So this smells literally like a chocolate bunny. I don't know, it's chocolatey. Unicorn Poop is fruity. It's got like, I have the whole scent list, by the way, on my site, but it's definitely fruity. Wild Daisy Dream is daisies, and it actually smells really good. It's herby. And then Unicorn Pop-Tarts, it literally smells like a fruity Pop-Tart. So like you even get like the, like that Pop-Tart, you know, like the baked shell and frosting and sprinkles, and then it's fruity. So it's kind of a unique little finish there. But yeah, you can choose 1 cent, 2 cent. I couldn't decide between the 4. And then you can of course choose to do all putty, all wax, or both, but we try to customize it as much as possible, and I think we're getting to a point where we've fine-tuned this. But yeah, if you do want the limited edition pens that come with this, and they're specially made, hand-turned only for this box, she will not remake them in her store, then I would suggest logging in before like 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, because those sold within like an hour or two last month. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But I'm super excited. I hope you enjoy this one this month. Let me know if you got it, your thoughts. And until next time, take care. Bye now.